What's up, y'all? Morgan, the CEO here, and today is what is today? Uh, September 9th is Friday, so it's the end of the week for foreign exchange. So earlier in the week, actually, I don't even think I did an analysis for USD CAD. I did NAS 100. I don't know. Anyways, so what I'm gonna do is mark up this chart for USD CAD because it did a lot of movement. Yeah, I don't think I did a video, but as you can see here, I did. I marked it up, and I actually was in this trade. I just never shared it with you all. But as you can see, real quick, is that it did touch this area, and so I did take my profit. But we're gonna get rid of this because that's not where we at the moment. Immediately, the first thing that I see is that it broke. Price broke this little area here, this box that I had. The reason that I created this box is because price has touched this area several times. It's even traded in this area. Boom. So I created this box before all of this right here was even here. And so it broke this box, which means that it's probably likely looking to make this a resistance. Initially, it was a support, as you can see. Boom, boom, it touched several times. So that's the first thing I saw. So I extended this box, and I'm pretty sure it's probably, it might not, but it might come up and touch here and, touch several times too. But immediately too, what I see is that, okay, we had this nice little run, right? I actually could have did the fib from that other line. But anyway, that wick. Okay. So I did this fib because we had an impulse right here. And so it's retracing a bit. And it's possible it's going to stop here and not retrace back up any further. That's what I'm thinking it's going to do. It's not going to do. I think it's going to continue down from here and come down. Let's see. I can immediately create a new trend line, though, from here to here. Yeah. So I do believe that it's going to at least come bounce. And then so it could come up, like I said, and hit that resistance line again. But I actually think that it's possible that it could break this trend line and go ahead and decide that it wants to come down for the negative 27% fib extension. Hold on, where's my box? So you know what? I'm gonna actually make that a take profit zone too, and create another box. So if you're someone who actually wants to just go ahead and grab it once it hits that trend line, you can do that. Boom. And these are, let's see how much. Let's see. Say you got in from here. Nice little. So, that might be a nice, not necessarily a scalp, but a nice little intraday trade. Nice little day trade. But yeah, that's basically what I see with USD CAD. Let's see if I did decide to get in it though. Let's see, short. If I got in here, stop loss, I would probably put it up just a little bit. Boom. And take profit. I would actually do at a psych level. Let me see, is that, but that's like a bad little, let's see. Boom. Yeah. Take profit here or down here. Same stop. This is better, honestly. Okay. And yeah, so that's what I see with USD CAD, but who knows what's going to go down. Honestly, though, I do see it just kind of heading down, and then breaking and coming down here. So we'll see. I'm not sure if it'll do it today. The market's closed at 5 o'clock. So if it doesn't happen today, I most likely would not get into it, because once the market opens up on Sunday, then it could not continue that way. But anyway, I just wanted to share this with y'all. This is USD CAD, but let's see how it plays out.